Hello everyone, this is Yardie Bellina Foreign and I'm coming to you live on YouTube, yeah? Tonight we're gonna make a very quick coconut Alfredo shrimp with angel hair pasta. And I just have a couple of ingredients here that I'm just gonna show you real quick before we start. I have some parsley over here, I have some jalapenos, some scallions, green onions, I have half or quarter of a large onion and a couple garlic cloves. I have some thyme, all right? Or Jamaican say thyme, it is called thyme. I have maybe about a pound or 3/4 of a pound of medium shrimp, and these are the previously cooked ones. And I have angel hair pasta, and the angel hair pasta is what we're gonna use, and it's a quickly, you just blanch it in some boiling water. And yeah, I'm gonna cut up all of these ingredients and I'm gonna start my ball a rolling. All right, here we have our skillet being on, and I'm just adding some coconut oil to the skillet, about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and this is extra virgin coconut oil. I'm using the phone and also narrating at the same time, so let's see how best I can get this done. All right, so let's continue by adding our ingredients. So I've added the garlic to the pot, and you can zoom in just a little bit. Yeah, I get the liquor boy to help me, ladies and gentlemen. I add the garlic to the pot, and as the garlic starts to give flavor, I'm gonna put in the shrimp. All right, it's almost like a stir fry. All right, and remember that these shrimp has been previously cooked, so you don't really want them to stay that long. And it's big shrimp, and it's a quick pot. Then I'm gonna start adding all my rest of stuff that I cut up. Yeah, scallions, onions. Yeah, don't judge me on my cutting board. You know. And you just want these to start flavoring, you know. You don't want them to burn or fry, so to speak. I could use a little bit of coconut, a little bit more coconut oil, but I'm not gonna do that. I make it stay just like that, you know. And just make the aroma permeate in the atmosphere. Yeah, permeate is my word. I invented that new word called permeate. I have some garlic spread that I bought at the supermarket. That's garlic spread. You know, that you want to make your own garlic bread, you can make it. And I'm using a little bit of that now. Oh, it look, little boy.
Huh?
Oh, it look good?
Yeah.
And I have a little bit of thyme in this pot that I'm adding to it. Come like what it. May I leave the parsley for garnish. And then I have some coconut milk that I'm gonna add, and that will be the Alfredo part of it. You see it? That's gonna be the Alfredo. Instead of the heavy cream, you just, the Alfredo, that part there. Okay, and in this little pot right here on the back of the stove is where the angel hair pasta is gonna go down, and that's what's gonna flavor our, yeah. Oh it look, Josh.
Again, like sauce.
It look like sauce, right? And I went to the store and got some garlic oil, and that's garlic infused oil, and I'm adding a little bit more of that to it. Yeah. You don't have to do them something what me are doing. You can just do your little thing, because you don't have to spoil the food. All right, there's no spoiling right here. Okay, and I turn this fire down, turn the flame down to almost simmer, and allow this to just take a little time and build. I don't want to add any butter or anything like that yet, until I'm ready to mix the pasta in, and we're gonna drop the pasta in this pot. Zoom over here upon the pot. Yeah. We're gonna drop the pasta in this water right here that is starting to boil. So hey, as we finish up the thing, you're gonna see how it go. So watch it now. The pasta will go down, and then we plate it and we put them together and make a thing work out how it for work out. You see? So now we'll have to put it in. This is the angel hair pasta. Finish. We'll put it in the pot for like how much? You can't put it now. We'll put it in we'll boil it for like what, 2 minutes? If that long? Maybe just about 2 minutes.
2 to 4 minutes.
And now we're adding the angel here to our Alfredo. You can just dump it. No. You don't want to dump it?
No, I want to do it neat.
She wants to do it neat. And as you can see, we're having the pot is boiling now. It's just coming to a yeah.
So nice coconut flavor.
Yeah, because that's what I'm doing. Coconut Alfredo. It's not. I don't want to use milk in it. Yeah. And you pretty much just want this to, just want the sauce to it just toss in the sauce. Just toss. Yeah, look at that stove for me now because I don't want it to spoil. And then it's all ready for plate from there. So pass me parsley. Me not cut up my parsley. Me just put it big so. And you shake the pot. Normally I try to flip it, but I'm afraid it dashes, so I'm not flip it today. Because I'm a flipping king. Yeah, see that? And the next thing I'm going to do now is put it on a plate, so that you can see the full exuberance of the eloquence. Right?
Right.
Yeah, so plate time next. And here's your finished dish, folks. Yes, our angel hair pasta, shrimp Alfredo, coconut Alfredo, I should add. And I just put some pepper, sweet pepper medley around it and stuff. And I hope that you can get to try this dish in your neck of the woods. Me not tell a lie, it look good. It look very, very intelligent. Yeah? And as you can see, I allow the shrimp to, retain its good composure. It's not tough. And everything look nice, and the wife is ready for eat, so I stop that now. I'm gonna get to do the thing. You see? Yeah, the belly enough foreign. Once again, try this in your neck of the woods. Some coconut milk instead of the creamy Alfredo sauce, and just spice it up in your own way. You can add little jerk sauce if you want, and hey, yeah, the belly enough foreign. Good food. That me say.